Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is just a small video for the current energy check-in. And as these are all general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. And if it doesn't resonate, then you can check your moon sign and the ascendant. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's going on for the zodiac sign of Taurians right now. What are your current energies for the zodiac sign of Taurus? Oh, the devil. Okay. So definitely, I think I should clarify that before talking about it. Why is this devil here for? So something here definitely needs to be corrected, or your shadow side needs to be dealt with in a decent way. So let's see, why is this devil here for Taurians? Why is this devil here for Taurians? So for the devil we have the star, the four of pentacles, eight of wands, king of cups, seven of wands, five of swords, and the world. And again we have the devil. I didn't want to pull it, still I have pulled it. Anyway, and the ten of pentacles. Okay. So just give me a minute. See, there is definitely something which is giving you a lot of healing, and it is your dream come true, it's your wish come true. Okay, you are really wishing and praying for something to happen in your life. It's something which is your dream come true, as I'm saying. But the thing is, it is something you're really keeping it close to your heart. Okay, it's something precious for you. You're really keeping it close to your heart. You're really passionate about it. Okay. It's like it's a secret which nobody knows about. Perhaps not even the person concerned. But then we have the eight of wands, so definitely there is a lot of communication. If this secret was kept from the person concerned, then I see the communication coming in. Okay, but it can largely be that you are keeping it a secret from others, from the world, from other people, something like that. Okay, but whatever it is, you are really holding it close to your heart, and then you are having a passionate communication over here. I do see a passionate to and fro communication. With the King of Cups, definitely there is a lot of I should say emotion is there, a lot of intuition. You're really feeling very intuitive about some. You're trying to listen to your intuition basically about something. You have a lot of emotions. But what I feel is maybe the vibe which I'm getting here is that though you are feeling so drawn towards this connection and talking and everything, but maybe in spite of having so many emotions, there may be a phase in which you try to keep some distance from this person or something like that, or choosing peace. It can be that also. See, what I feel here with the Seven of Wands and the Five of Swords is there is something which is bothering you. Something is bothering you over here, and But the thing is that you will keep, maybe there is something which is happening over here because of which you are bothered and troubled. But what I feel is you will choose your own peace. You will choose your peace, and you will be able to transit through this phase, whatever this phase is, and you will be able to move towards a new phase of your life here with the world being there. There is something new coming in which is closing off. Some cycle here is being closed off, and it is regarding something which you are keeping yourself distant from, and it is bothering you. It's something like that. Definitely with the Seven of Wands and the Five of Swords, that is the vibe which I am getting here. As if everything is moving fine here, and then there is something which you want to, since you want to be at peace, you want to keep that certain you are trying to keep a certain communication or a struggle, some sort of struggle away. You want to keep yourself from something. You want to keep yourself away from something which may cause some issues of anxiety to you or bother you in some way, shape, or form. Okay, so you want to close this situation which is bothersome for you, and you really want to keep yourself away from this situation uh, for your own mental peace. It's something like that. And that cycle, whatever this is, it is coming to a closure, and you're moving towards a new beginning, and that new beginning definitely is your Ten of Pentacles, but it is coming here with the Devil. So what I feel here is, you are moving towards stability, you are moving towards commitment, you are moving towards everything fine, and it's a very positive card here with the World and the Ten of Pentacles. But we have the Devil in between, and we have the Devil there. So what I feel here is that with the Devil, either something has to be, some sort of an inner work has to be done over here. Okay, maybe it can be a temptation, it can be some sort of a pattern in your life, some addiction, something is there which needs to be corrected. Okay, the entire thing is very beautiful. The only thing is here is that something here needs to be corrected, or something has to be dealt with, some inner work or your shadow side. Maybe this communication and this relationship is triggering or highlighting you some aspect of yours which you feel has to be corrected. You'll understand that this is something which I need to correct in myself. This relationship is sort of pointing me towards that which I need to correct before I move in towards this commitment. Okay, so something here needs to be corrected before this commitment falls in line, you can say. Okay, so some sort of a shadow work has to be done. It can be within yourself totally, because I really don't see the involvement of the another person over here. It's all about you, Taurians. So something here has to be sorted out. It can be as simple as that. It can be your inner fears, it can be your insecurities, it can be some sort of temptation, some sort of addiction, whatever it is. Something here needs to be corrected before you commit to this relationship over here. Before this commitment, something has to be corrected over here so that everything falls in line. It's something like that. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.